स्वागत है आपका अपना चैनल जी क्लासेस फॉर बेटर एक्सप्लेनेशन में, और मैं हूं आपका अपना गोविंद झा। बहुत ही जो है शानदार टॉपिक के साथ मैं आपके सामने आया हूं, एंड दिस इज आइडेंटिटी। और आइडेंटिटी का मतलब क्या होता है, सबसे पहले ये समझ लें। आइडेंटिटी मीन्स यू विल हैव अ LHS एंड RHS एंड बोथ पार्ट्स आर इक्वल। इफ यू जस्ट ब्रेक दिस यू विल बी गेटिंग दिस, इफ यू जस्ट ब्रेक दिस और जस्ट यू डू एनीथिंग विद दिस देन यू विल बी गेटिंग दिस। सो दिस इज अ आइडेंटिटी, और हम लोग को प्रूव करना है, एंड दैट इज वेरी फेमस आइडेंटिटी a plus b का होल स्क्वायर, एंड दैट इज एवरीबॉडी नोज इट, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab। वी हैव टू सी हाउ टू प्रूव इट। देखिए इसको आइडेंटिटी को प्रूव कैसे करते हैं। सबसे पहले प्रूव करने के लिए आपको लेना है LHS एंड द पार्ट LHS पार्ट इज दैट इज a plus b whole square. So I have taken, we have LHS and LHS is a plus b का whole square, and you must be knowing if anything is written with the squared power then what does it mean। 2 का स्क्वायर अगर कहीं पे लिखा होता है तो आप definitely you must know this what it is, it can be written 2 into 2। if anywhere 9 square it is written, so it means what, 9 into 9। so anywhere if it is written a plus b whole square, it does mean what, it means that is it can be written as a plus b into a plus b, means a plus b is multiplied 2 times। So what is the problem, 2 times it is multiplied a plus b and a plus b। now you can see this is a binomial, this is a binomial according to algebra। binomial means what, having 2 terms, expressions and algebraic expressions having 2 terms is called binomial। I will discuss in detail but not here। so binomial and binomial it is there, so we have to multiply। करना कुछ नहीं है, बहुत ही आसान है। इसको ढक दीजिए। इसमें देखिए 2 मेंबर्स हैं, एक को उठाना है और इस दोनों के साथ उसको सटाना है। मीन्स वॉट, यू हैव टू जस्ट टेक a एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस a plus b both। then after that you have to take the another participants of this family and that is b you have to take and you have to multiply with a plus b। that I have done only। first I just took a and with a I just multiplied this a plus b, you can just see a into a plus b। then after what I did, I just took b and I just multiplied this a plus b with b also, and the relation between here plus, so plus it is given। you could take it as here also, but the same process will be there। you can cover it by, you can take this a and you can multiply with this a plus b, and you can take b later on, and then after that you can multiply with this a plus b, but the same thing will be there। so it is better it is done here, you can see। so a into a plus b now and b into a plus b now, you just break the bracket, a small bracket, so what it will come, it will be multiplied with a, it will be multiplied with b also। now just like a plus b and a, these all are the family members, but due to some reason it is just he is standing outside। so what is their work, they will call when the situations will be there। so what to do, how to open the bracket, this who is just standing outside, this is a part of this family only। so whenever time is needed it will be called, so this a will enter this house also and a will enter to this house also। so a into a, that is a square, a into b, that is ab, and the sign was plus, so plus it is written। now you see the plus sign it is there, so plus sign it is written। now you multiplied again, this b will be multiplied with this a also and this b also। so if you multiply this b by a, then it will be ab or ba, so you write ab, I have written here। this b will be multiplied with this b, so it will become b squared। and now you see the final step is what, a squared plus ab plus b squared, it has come। now you see a squared b squared, it is different, not a like terms, so it will not be added, so it is written here as it is। but you see this ab and this ab, so 1 ab and 1 ab, it becomes how many ab, 2 ab, so it is written here 2 ab, and the formula is proved, identity is proved, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this was the formula, this was the first identity। I will be coming with the more and more identities, so please if you have not subscribed yet my channel, then please subscribe। thank you, have a nice day, bye bye।